This is one of my favorite websites for stock footage, photos, sound effects, music, because it's all royalty free and there's tons of it. So on this homepage, you'll see a search bar. Up here, we can also scroll and specifically choose things like videos, illustrations, or vectors. Then you can tap search and search just in the vectors. And there's over 160,000 free vector images. And a vector image, the reason it's interesting is because it can be scaled to any size without pixelating. So this image here is rather small, but once you have it as a vector file, you can make it any size you want and it won't pixelate. That's super cool. That's not normal for images to do that. So you can download this directly just by tapping download, or you can also edit the image in Canva. Just tap on this button here. You can do things like edit image, remove the background, retouch, crop image, adjust colors, create a social post. That's all there is in this list. Let's tap on edit image. It opens it in Canva. And now whatever the artist has left as editable, you can now edit. You don't need to sign in either. You don't have to have a Canva account, even though you can have a free account that does a whole ton of stuff. You don't even need an account for this. So you can edit the image with all the Canva options that you have. And there's quite a few of them. And when you're done, tap on this little up arrow, then you can download this to your iPhone. The only downside of editing this with a free account on Canva is you can only download as non-vector files. So you can download as a JPEG, PNG, PDF. SVG is the vector file type, so you can only do that with a pro account. But if we head back to Pixabay, and let's say we're happy without any edits, we can just tap on download in Pixabay. We can see the file name here ending in a .svg. We download that. It's now on our phone. Where it goes is not immediately clear unless you've done this before. Go back to your home screen, tap on search, start typing files. That'll show you the Files app. You see the new image right there actually. But if it doesn't show up there, you got to go into the Files app, back all the way out to the very beginning of the Files app. It should say Browse at the top. You probably have these locations listed for your Files app. I have my downloads favorited, so it appears up here. But this will more than likely appear inside the On My iPhone folder on your phone. So check in there for a downloads folder or a recents folder or a recently downloaded folder, something like that. Tap on it to open it, scroll through your files until you find the file you downloaded, which is right here. And now you can share this file with your friends, with an app, make it a social post, or edit it in some kind of software on your phone like Affinity Designer. But now you have flexibility to do with this file what you want to do with the file. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. And then check out this video on your screen right now, which is how to empty a trash can on your iPhone. You've probably never done this. That's why it's important you check out this video and empty the trash on your phone. I'll see you there.